Hello everyone. Today, we're going to assemble the Book Nook Sherlock Holmes Detective Agency electronic kit. Remove the E2 board. Thread the circuit board of the electronic kit through the hollow part on the front of the E2 board. Secure the battery box using screws and nuts. Remove the C2 and C8 boards. Attach the light board to the side of C2 without the pattern using F29, F30, and F31. Remove F7 and organize and secure the wires. Remove C8 and secure the touch switch circuit board to the side of C8 without the pattern using mini screws. Remove F27 and F28 and assemble them on both sides of the cover. Insert the sensor head into the slot. Install the top cover C8. Install F8. Remove F23, F24, F25, and F26 and attach the small lights to the side of G8 without the pattern. Bend the bulbs at the corners of the stairs. Once the overall scene of the Book Nook is assembled, close the top cover. Organize the wires and secure them to the slot. Secure all wires using the F11 part. Close the backboard. The Book Nook assembly is complete.